Hello everyone, my name is Amol More and welcome to our channel Solution to Black Book. Now today we are solving the chapter Quadratic Equation from the book Black Book. We are on page number 160 and question number 135. So fx is given to be x square plus 1 by x square minus 6x minus 6 upon x plus 2, and they are asking us the minimum value of fx. No matter how simple this question looks, but this question has a lot more to offer than it shows you. It does not only show you minimum value, but it will show you more. Let us observe. Now first thing, x square plus 1 by x square can be written as x plus 1 by x the whole square minus 2. Basic 10 standard identity. Let us take minus 6 common, x plus 1 by x plus 2. Now as we all know that this particular question is based on x plus 1 by x. Okay, but I would like to tell you that let us put x plus 1 by x as t. So our fx is now changed to t square. This minus 2 and plus 2 got cancelled, minus 60. Very good. Now this is a particular quadratic equation, so calculating its minima is very simple as its leading coefficient is 1. But it's not that simple because x plus 1 by x does not take all real values. It takes particular values only, and in this quadratic equation we are bound by all real values. So what to do? So first of all, we need to understand that x plus 1 by x is greater than or equal to 2 when x is greater than 0, and x plus 1 by x is lesser than or equal to minus 2 when x is lesser than 0. So basically when x is greater than 0, t is greater than or equal to 2, and when x is lesser than 0, t is lesser than or equal to minus 2. So we need to take into account this particular cases. Okay, because t cannot be minus 1 because minus 1 does not lie in the range. T cannot be minus 1.5 even. T cannot be 0 even because that does not lie in the range given to us in this particular question. Now x plus 1 by x greater than or equal to 2 can easily be proved if someone has doubt. am greater than or equal to gm. X plus 1 by x the whole by 2 greater than or equal to square root of x into 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x will be greater than or equal to 2, and that goes minus 2 less than minus 2 when x is less than 0. Okay, so that is just the back proof of what I have used. Okay, now I had f of x in terms of t square minus 60. So let us call that now f of t. Okay, because I had changed the variable. So just do not worry about this function sign. It's a basic function which is following the variable t. Now we all know that at t equal to minus b by 2a, y max value will be equal to minus d by 4a. Okay, so t will be equal to minus of minus 6 by 2 into 1, 3. So 3 lies in this range. So y max or y mean can be calculated. I am very sorry, over here it is y mean because leading coefficient is positive. When the leading coefficient is positive, it will be y mean, and when the leading coefficient is negative, it will be y max. Okay, so t is equal to 3, so it is lying in the range na? So we can calculate the y mean directly. So what is y mean? Y mean is nothing but minus 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 0 because c value is 0 upon 4. So this will be minus 36 upon 4, which is minus 9. So our function has minimum value as minus 9 because in terms of t we have calculated the minimum value, but it is following the conditions of x plus 1 by x. Hence minus 9 is the minimum value of the function. Let us go back to the question. See, option C is correct. Now moving ahead, sometimes they can also ask you at what points this minimum value occurs. So this is an extra knowledge for you. So when t is equal to 3, then the minimum value occurs. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. Therefore x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. And therefore x is equal to minus b, which is minus 3 plus or minus under root b square minus 4 into ac upon 2, which is nothing but 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2. Therefore x is equal to 3 plus root 5 by 2, or x is equal to 3 minus root 5 by 2. So basically this minimum value, that is minus 9, occurs at 2 points, 3 plus root 5 and 3 minus root 5. I'll give you a graphical understanding of the same also. 3 plus 2.24 upon 2, the approximate value of root 5. This will be 5.24 upon 2. So you can say this is 2.6 approximately. You can say 2.6. okay, and over here it is 3 minus 2.24 approximately, which is 2. So this will be equal to 0.76 upon 2. So approximately you can call it 0.34. okay, so these are approximate values. That one value is 2.6 and one value is 0.3. Now let me give you a brief outlook of the question. I have made a graph. See this graph, x square plus 1 by x square minus 6x minus 6 upon x plus 2 is made. Now let us check out the minimum value. First is 0.38 comma minus 9, and the second is 2.6 minus 9. See 0.3 approximate value and 2.6. So there are two minimum values of y at two different values of x. So that's how we have solved this very nice and very intellectual question from the black book. Thank you for watching the video, guys, and do not forget to like, share and comment on this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.